I've been looking for a trailer for quite a while, probably a year or longer. Hadn't been really serious about getting one. Let me swap lanes here. Get out of the fast lane. But I hadn't been real serious about getting one. I've just been looking marketplace here and there, you know, and found a couple. There's a bunch of them out there, used boat trailers, used jet ski trailers, stuff like that. Well, I've been looking for a trailer to make a kayak trailer out of. I've been wanting to do that for a long time. I like loading my kayak in the back of the truck. It's just easy for me, you know, but I am getting a little older, and I would like to leave all my stuff in my kayak. I load it in my truck. You know, I take a lot of the stuff out, you unload it, it rolls around, falls out, stuff like that. But I'd like to get a trailer to put it on and haul it like that. And I don't know if I want to make a 2 kayak trailer or a single kayak trailer. I'd like to have a 2, but you know, we'll see how that goes. But I did find a trailer that a friend of mine is selling, and we're gonna go pick it up today. But he is actually a YouTuber, and that's kind of how we met, was on YouTube. But he's got a great outdoor channel and spends a lot of time on the river, stuff like that. And he's got some good videos out there, but Zack Skipper is his name. But we're gonna go check him out, pick up this trailer and carry it to the house and see what we can do with it. It's an old boat trailer, and we're gonna turn it into a kayak trailer eventually. Not today, but we eventually will do that, and I'll take y'all along for that journey. That should be a good video. But yeah, we're gonna go down here and pick this thing up today, and I'll introduce y'all to him and tell you a little bit about his channel. I've looked at him a little bit, but never really got too much into him, you know. So is the seat set up pretty comfy like that?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
I wish it would turn all the way, but I mean, it's not a big deal. Like my other boat, I could sit straight forward.
Yeah.
This one, you kind of have to sit sideways, but it works out because the tiller is kind of far back.
Hey, what's up, folks? I'm here to get at that trailer I told you about, to build a kayak trailer. This is Zack Skipper, and I want to show y'all his ride right here. It is pretty cool right here. He also has a YouTube channel, and I'll link it below, but y'all go check that out, Zack Skipper, which is a pretty cool name for a channel, really. You know?
Yeah, it's easy to find.
It's easy to remember, yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, y'all look at this boat right here. This is kind of the top of the line right here. It's an Edge, and this thing has got, what'd you say, it's a 16 foot?
Yeah, it's a 16 foot long and 50 inches wide.
Yeah, 16 and 50, and it's got a 70 horse on it, so no grief about that, please, okay? But this thing right here is a beast, man. I mean, how does it perform in the river? Does it, you know, like...
It does really good. It handles great, especially if you get a couple people in the front. It's the front just sits down and it turns great.
Yeah, I've noticed on some of your videos, it does seem to rise up when you're just kind of putting along.
Oh, yeah.
You know, and
yeah, there's like basically nothing in the front except the light bar for weight. So
really?
I've got those water bags. I'll fill them up if I'm just by myself.
Oh, yeah, just to fill them up. Okay, just to add weight. That's pretty cool now.
Yeah, those worked out really good because... Like if I got somebody with me, I can just dump them out. You know, that's not like a permanent thing, and they pack away really good. So I'll turn the inside and outside lights on for you. Check those out.
Oh yeah, you got yeah, I forgot about that. Oh yeah, check that out. That is awesome. So you had them installed, didn't you?
Yeah. He's trying to get his like his TikTok going up too. He wants to do like how-tos on this stuff. He's really good at it. Yeah, his name's Clint Vaughn. Y'all go check him out too. But, yeah, he did a really good job wiring it, and like it looks like professional. Yeah.
Oh
like,
yeah.
I would never be able to do that.
No, I mean that is slick.
Yeah, I'm ready to try these out with like duck hunting or bush hooking on the outside.
Oh yeah,
super nice.
You can see where you're going. Yeah, that is pretty cool. And then the little boat that could right there, right?
Yeah, the canoe. That's a little junky right now because
mine is too. Mine, it becomes a storage, you know, after a little while. You know, yeah, it goes from one to the other. You know, yeah, that is a pretty cool little boat. But hey, yeah, y'all go check his channel out, Zack Skipper. I'll link it below, and he's got some great videos on there of this very boat. So y'all go check it out. Okay, I got the trailer home, been doing some looking, kind of inspecting it a little bit, and I did find the issue. He told me that the axle, that he hit something with the axle right there, and it's got a little bend in it. You can see it right there, it's got a little bend in it. And he hit something low, I guess pulling out of a ramp. And what it did, it slid that axle back a little bit. It didn't just bend it, it also slid it back a little bit, because it's a different measurement from the axle to the back of the trailer than it is on this side. So it's eating, and it's funny because it's eating the opposite tire off that he did not hit on that side. It actually, what it looks like, I put a level across there, and it's bent, but it's also kind of cupped it. It pushed this side back a little bit, but it also bent the axle, which in turn straightened the wheel back out from the bend, if that makes any sense. You know, it slid it back and bended it at the same time, so it kind of put it back in line, and it caused this one to go out of line because this side is slid backwards, so it pulled that one out. So that's the tires wearing out. That's the best I can tell, and that's my theory. It's just a theory. But have y'all ever straightened an axle? Anybody on YouTube ever straightened an axle? And I know you can measure it and get your measurements right and put it back in place, but as far as getting it straight, it's out just a little bit. I'll have to put another level on it, and I hadn't really took a lot of time with it. But this is a galvanized trailer. It's great for salt water or fresh water, and I've been wanting to take the mud motor down to the bay and just do some riding in the flats and in the grass areas, and maybe do some red fishing. I've never done that, which, you know, I don't know why. I live hour and a half from, you know, Panama City Beach or Destin, so I've got plenty of bay fishing areas really that I can get to. But that has a steel trailer, which is a 80s, early 80 models, boat, trailer, and all is the same age. So boat's pretty old, trailer's old, but I think I'm gonna put it on this trailer and turn that into my kayak trailer. I think it'll be more suitable. It's this one is a little bit longer, so that will be better for a kayak, I think. And yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So appreciate y'all watching. We'll see y'all soon on the water. Bye now.